evening. I'm your host, and this is Real Life Chronicles. A devastating tornado has struck northern Guangzhou, China, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Let's go straight to our correspondent in the field for the latest. This northern Guangzhou, where a powerful tornado has caused severe damage to homes, businesses, and infrastructure. The storm swept through the area yesterday evening, catching residents off guard. After tornado heavy hailstorm broke in the homes. Thank you for watching. We'll continue to bring you updates.